What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I got quite a few deals for you, so we're going to go ahead and hop in. But I do want to just say at the end of the video, towards around these tabs right here, this becomes a hunt. So this is your mileage may vary at Walmart, but at Amazon, obviously, you all can buy these. So let's get started. First up, we have this Craftsman cordless pressure washer. Now, it only produces 350 psi, just like the Ryobi brushed 18 volt pressure washer. It is $99. It's kind of on par with the Ryobi. Now, on the flip side of that, let me just show you what I would probably spring for. The 40 volt Ryobi, because it's double the power. It's double the psi at 600, and honestly, that, as far as pressure washers go, that's really not all that great. But this would do fine, just washing the car and stuff, and doing some smaller things, and a portable setup. Because you see this big boy right here, lugging that around, putting gas in it. That's 3,300 psi. But 600 is not really nothing to write home about. So you can imagine what 350 is going to do. I didn't read the reviews because this is just pretty much what I expected. It's going to be a bunch of people saying, "Oh, it's not really strong enough." Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's 350 psi, but it's like we're washing a car, and this is really convenient, right, for that. But also, so is this, and it's going to cost you extra $15 for shipping. So there's going to be about 51 or 52 extra dollars in this Craftsman. This comes with a 2 amp hour battery and a 40 volt system and an extra hose. I just kind of like this deal better than this, but there you go. I'm just leaving them both there. Moving on, we have this shop vac for $59. It's the lowest price in 30 days. Yeah, I have no experience with this shop vac. I generally just get Ridgets because they have always worked great for me, and they have lifetime warranties. You can get them from Home Depot very easy, and they generally like $69 for the 5 gallon. Matter of fact, why I ain't pull that up? Hold on. I mean, yeah, we come over here. We see this 12 gallon for 109. We see this other 12. Well, it's the same thing, isn't it? 12 gallon for 99. 4 gallon for 79. Then there's another one that's kind of a 6 gallon here for 75, 3.5 peak horsepower. What was the horsepower on the other one? It does not. Two? Come on, yeah, come on, man. What am I doing? Why am I showing you this? I guess it's just a good contrast. See this? Just buy one of the ones from Home Depot, and these not even on sale right now, for real. Just wait a little bit. You find a decent deal on these. This is not too bad. This $79 one, and this one for 74 is also not too bad. Or that 12 gallon for 109. That's not too bad either. So there you go with that. Moving on. All right, so we have this man is not for sale. This hand truck. Now, I prefer hand trucks that claim to carry a large load, to have slightly larger tires. But this is not bad for $95, man. This is not bad for $95, and it has these dual functions like that. So decent reviews, and yeah, $95 there. So just leave that with you. It's aluminum, so it's not gonna hold a whole lot of weight. This is the collapsible one. This one's 83, and then this was 95. So there you go. There you go. There, right there. See how little the tires are. That'll be all right. You're not like lugging nothing crazy around with that, but that's not a bad hand truck for $95. Now we come over here to more Greenworks stuff. Now, if you could take advantage of that chainsaw from Tractor Supply, I think I still have it up. Right here, this is $65. And this comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger. And Lowe's has some good clearance stuff too. I'm gonna have to show you guys that tomorrow. But yeah, man, you just collecting these batteries. I would probably do this. This is when you look at Milwaukee or the Ryobis or anybody else with their 3 gallon or Ridget even, their 3 gallon shop vacs. I think Ridgets has been the best price over the years at $99, and that also has a lifetime warranty, or the LSA, of course. And it's $99, but this is $90 with a 2 amp hour battery charger. And that's pretty darn good. You can't beat that, really. So there you go with that. Then we have this Bosch jigsaw. I've never used Bosch jigsaw before, but the reviews on this thing are quite good. $90.09. And just as a comparison, let's just show you what it is costing everywhere else. $99 at Acme Tools is the next best price. So there you go, up there. So you can, I mean, obviously get it from Amazon. Why would you get it from anywhere else? Sold by Amazon, yeah, you should be fine with your warranty and everything like that. Moving on, I wanted to show you before we get into the next deals, because the next deal is going to be pretty juicy. But they tool only, and they're Bosch. And while they pretty much prefer you do at least 8 amp hour battery, I would still try this for. You have this starter kit for $59. Now, I don't generally buy batteries, but this ain't bad for $59. A 4 amp hour battery and this charger. But now let's move on. But before we actually move on, I just want to say, if you get any value, if you feel like I'm bringing you some deals, can you subscribe? I've been stuck at 17,000 subscribers for a minute now. Let's bump this over to 18,000 subscribers. Hit that notification bell, and then you will not miss a deal. So now moving on to the good stuff. Boom. This Bosch Pro Factor Hitman SDS Max 1 9/16 inch rotary hammer drill for $270.25. That's the cheapest I've ever seen, I think, a brand new 1 9/16 inch rotary hammer drill. This is the tippy top of the line for Bosch. It's only $270. Acme Tools has deals on these where if you spend, they're like $750, but you do get that high torque impact wrench. You get like two 12 amp hour batteries, and you get a charger, and that's tempting. See right here, like, with the battery, yeah, this is what they coming with. And you get, oh yeah, then you get an extra 8 amp hour battery. Yeah, 764. Yeah, but me, I think I'd just rather go with this 270 and, spend that $59 and I have a little 4 amp hour battery. I could find an 8 amp hour battery somewhere doing something. I don't know. But Facebook Marketplace, a lot of people getting those kits and they flipping these little 8 amp hour ones. I would prefer to just do that, to be honest with you. Because after you bought this and got that impact wrench and you sold everything off, you still going to be higher than 270 probably. You might be around $300, but you have a charger and a battery. I don't know. It's up to you. It's a lot moving around. Now, if you look at the reviews and say, well, those reviews don't look good, it's because one guy was complaining that he got one and it was a return. See, all the boxes were open. All the boxes were open. Bosch sticker ripped, meaning package wasn't sealed. It has nothing to do with the actual product itself. You do have an 8 amp hour battery here for 101. I just too much money to me for a battery. So there you go there. Now we're going to move on. In contrast to that, we have this Bosch Pro Factor 1 1/4 inch. And this is SDS Plus for $229. Now let's look at the impact differences. This is 4.3 foot-pounds. It's about 5.8 joules. I had it up. 5.8 joules. And this one here, the 1 9/16 inch, is 5.2 foot-pounds. So when we go look at that, that's 5.2. It's a whole foot-pound more, just about. That's 7 joules. All right, now, max bits are going to cost more than plus bits. So you got to keep that in mind. And honestly, I don't know what you're doing around your house. You probably don't need the max. This plus will probably be just fine. But here we also have this Metabo. I want to show you guys this. And this is corded at $256. Don't buy this. You probably wouldn't, as you just see the price. And this is a plus. But this is actually weaker than this Bosch right here. Now, this Bosch weighs more, obviously, because it's cordless. But, yeah, this is much smaller form factor. But it still doesn't even produce all of the beans. When we go to Metabo's website, we see it's only 3.1 joules, which is like 2 point something foot-pounds. All right, that Bosch is literally twice as powerful. All right, moving on, we have these Bessey clamps, $12.97. I ain't really dig too deep into it to see if this is a good deal. I haven't done very much woodworking, so I don't know. You guys comment in the comments below of whether this is a good deal. Honey is saying that it's been a 57% price drop, so $12.97 there. I thought that was good for some clamps. Now we get into the your mileage may varies But these are some incredible deals over at Walmart. All right, so first up, I have all the BrickSeek links. It's not going to help you. It's going to probably just tell you that the availability is unknown. But you have this Stanley 252-piece mechanic set. I like this thing. I mean, can we zoom in? We can zoom in a little bit. It's a crap ton of these little bits. But it's a decent socket set. 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. And, I have some nice sockets there. And this bad boy was only $21. It's $21, okay? So you gotta check your Walmarts. You can't even check online because when you click it, it's just going to show. It's not even in the store at all. They don't carry it anymore. So they might be in the rafters somewhere. Check that out. Also, back to Greenworks on this 2.5 amp hour battery, a 40 volt. Hey, $19. So, again, it's a hunt. They're going to just say it's unknown. So it's a hunt for that. I wanted to show you guys. So, yeah, it's going to say this. You can buy it online. Now, one of these you can buy online. We'll get to that. So now we have another shop vac, another 5-gallon. Now this is going back. This is actually better than the one I showed you in the first place. $21. So there you have that. Moving on, we have this Wagner Ferno 500. I have a Ferno 700 or 750. This is $25 at some stores, and this can still be purchased online. So here's what you want to do with this: just order it, have it shipped to your house, then take it, then use BrickSeek and find one of these stores where it's real cheap, and then go and just return it and tell them, hey, look, I saw that the price dropped. I just wanted to return it and rebuy it here. And then they'll do that. So they'll give you the money back, they'll refund you, and then they'll scan it, and then you buy it at the new $25 price. And that's it. So that's how you handle that. Very good heat gun. All of them are on sale, actually. The 700 is not that super low, though. It's $67. You want the 750, it come with a case and all that. But I think you got to get that from... It's different from store to store. At Lowe's, you get a little more value, a little more bang for your buck, come with a nice hard case. And finally, we're here with another Stanley 50-piece mechanic set. This doesn't have all those silly little bits, but it only comes, I'm sure this is a 3/8 inch. And this is only $5. So there you go. If you can find that, man, heck of a deal there. So that is it. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Buy some merch.